Hello everyone, welcome to Buyer Advisor, the best product review channel on YouTube. To make this video, our experts reviewed 100 plus products and picked only the best items for you. All products are available on Amazon. Discount lovers can check below in the description for special product links. So let's get started.
Our number one choice is Forney Easy Weld 140 MP. The Forney Easy 140 FCI Flux Core Welder for beginners features a duty cycle of 30% at 90 amps. The output range is 30 to 140 amps, pretty wide for a beginner welder running on 120 volts. Even without gas MIG, the Forney Easy 140 FCI Flux Core Welder for beginners. This machine is very light, tipping the scale at 19 pounds. This machine incorporates a live exhaust fan that keeps the box cool and improves longevity. When the temperatures aren't too hot or the machine is idle, the fan shuts off until it's needed again. Forney has good reputation for high build quality. You can weld 24 gauge sheet metal at 30 amps and 1/4 inch plate at 140 amps. With Forney's reputation for quality and its extensive dealer network, the 1-year warranty, small footprint and great performance, you're not likely to be disappointed by the Forney Easy 140 FCI Flux Core Welder for beginners. This machine is at the top of its price range for quality, durability and ease of use. Our second best welder for beginners is YesWelder 205 amp ARC welder. The YesWelder MIG 205 DS MIG or Flux Core or TIG or stick welder offers MIG or flux, TIG and stick welding. Featuring either 120 or 240 volt input, the YesWelder MIG 205 DS MIG or Flux Core or TIG or stick welder features an LCD digital display and synergic arc control for MIG mode. You can choose one of 4 welding processes easily by switching with a single digital button. With a flip-up plastic dust cover, the YesWelder MIG 205 DS MIG or Flux Core or TIG or stick welder effectively protects its LCD screen and digital buttons from dust, smoke and grinding debris. One drawback of this machine is that it doesn't include a TIG torch as shipped, so you'll need to buy one separately if you're interested in TIG welding. The YesWelder MIG 205 DS MIG or Flux Core or TIG or stick welder mounts both 2-pound and 10-pound wire spools. It's equipped with a 2T, 4T trigger lock, letting you make long welding runs without needing to keep the trigger pressed. This machine is a DC-only TIG, not suitable for welding aluminum, and the MIG or Flux Core side isn't able to use a spool gun. You can probably manage aluminum welding by going with aluminum electrodes on the stick arc welding mode. You can weld steel up to 3/8 inch thick with this machine. Third pick in our list is S7 200 amp TIG welder. Beginners who want to try TIG welding will probably want to do so with minimum outlay, and the S7 TIG or stick welder is a very affordable approach. It will run off a standard household supply or from a generator for those who want to use the stick process outdoors. It is light and very easy to carry around. At 85%, the duty cycle is the highest you have seen on any welder for beginners. Part of that is due to relatively low heat generation, and the maximum thickness in steel is 3/16 of an inch. It will also weld stainless but not aluminum. Considering the low price, there might be some concerns over durability. However, this is a very popular entry-level TIG welder, and feedback is largely positive. That said, the instructions provided aren't very clear. In general, we would recommend the help of a pro or a local class to get started with TIG welding anyway. After use, after the operation, clean up the site, cut off the electricity supply, lock the box. Number 4 on our side is Hobart Handler 210 MVP MIG welder. The Hobart Stickmate 160i arc welder is a dual input machine, able to run either 120 or 240 volts. Running this welder on 240 volt input is another way to avoid the breaker issue mentioned above. When running 240 volt power, this machine can weld steel up to 3/8 inch thick at 160 amps. This is a convenient and powerful machine featuring industrial build quality and simple operation. Advanced design makes the Hobart Stickmate 160i arc welder powerful enough to weld up to 1/4 inch thick steel while weighing less than 20 pounds. This machine features an infinitely adjustable amps control with 1 amp increments. There are reports by owners that the machine trips breakers when exceeding 80 amps on 120 volt power. This is not a consistent issue, and can be addressed with a higher rated breaker on the circuit. Number 5 in our top 5 best welder for beginners list is Lotos MIG 175 MIG welder. Lotos is another of the top welding machine. While its MIG 175 is designed for light to medium duty professional use, it is suitable for beginners to its ease of use. It also comes with everything needed to get started, including a gas regulator, a basic mask, a chipping hammer, a wire brush, and a spool gun specifically for welding aluminum. Maximum weld thicknesses are 1/4 inch in mild steel and 3/16 inch in aluminum. At 85 pounds, it is surprisingly heavy by comparison with similar tools, but MIG can't be used outdoors, so reduced portability is unlikely to be a problem. However, the Lotos MIG 175 does require a 220 volt supply, which prevents us from recommending it as the best welder for home use. A generator would need to be used, or a dedicated socket would need to be installed. The durable high-quality aluminum wire feeder offers a much more stable and better welding experience. Thanks for watching this video. Hope this guide will help you to make your decision easier. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more guide and special tips on your feed.